Mini Mac 30.
Is there an on switch? It's on.
On. Primed. Choked.
Pull it a couple more times.
Is there any gas in it? Let's check. Full of gas. There we go.
Let's go clean plugs, check carburetor.
Check. Check.
Find anything wrong with it?
Oh, well, the fuel line had a kink in it, so we'll see what happens.
Changed filters too, right?
Oh, we changed everything.
Changed everything, fluids are full.
But
Let's put it together and start it up again.
like it said on the website.
Yeah. Do everything you can do to it.
So it had a kink.
It had a kink.
Well, maybe.
Maybe.
I see all that work on it made a big difference.
You gotta turn the switch on.
I know how to fix it.
Choke on. I know how to fix this.
Okay, go for it. You're on, Dave. Any final rights?
Well, it didn't work before. It don't work now.
Nothing's changed.
Bring it to my shop, I can fix it.
Dad, the carburetor
Yep.
broken.
I see the problem.
You see the problem?
I know why it doesn't work.
Any brilliant insights as to why?
Too much air getting into the engine.
Definitely.